Have you ever heard wanotaura kuti washing machine inodya magetsi akawanda? Because inini I've heard that statement a lot, especially when I was still in Cyprus as a student. Ukaona housemate inenge iri bore haunenge uri right, but ukaona housemate inenge isiri bore anenge atori mawani. Because inini I still remember being told kunzi panapa munhu anongoshandisa washing machine only once in a month, and I was like, but how is it possible? Because I have dark clothes and white clothes, so am I just going to mix them one wash or something? But but right now that I have my own house with my wife, I decided to test kundione kuti washing machine inozodya magetsi akawanda sei and tinchibhadhara mari yakawanda sei futi. So I'm going to use this smart plug brand rinonzi Tepo or Tapo, I don't know how to pronounce it. So I'm just going to link this plug to my phone, and then I'll connect it to the washing machine. Then we'll be seeing all the results on this application. But on the application now, Tepo. So that's what I'm just going to be doing. Then I'll show you the results. That's my washing machine plug there. So this is the washing machine, and that's the plug. So I'm going to put this smart plug per washing machine, then we test. So now that everything is set, changusala kuisa sipo ni hembe washing machine, then we start our testing. Let's do that. And what is a hembe? My dark clothes. And we put on the dark care because my dark clothes, and it's going to be 2 hours 29 minutes. And it starts, so we'll show you after the wash. So it's still washing, and now yesterday was 40 minutes, and Marie ripa 17 pence. So let's see what you know sugar pap. Yeah, washing machine here paid a munch, and panapa this application, the smart plug is saying patient is about 19 pence and getting 20 pence maget. So I don't know, guys, you tell me, do you think it's too much? It's just normal? I don't know. As for me, I think 20 pence will be worth it. Kana kuwacha kana ka 10, kana ka 15 in a month. I really think it's good. But I don't know. You just tell me what you think.